One World Trade Center, Freedom Towers base. Again, when the cladding is complete, the zigzag steel will no longer be visible. Straightforward look at Tower 4. Well, straightforward look at the side of Tower 4. And here's Tower 2. Nothing significant. Again, minor work, air conditioning work, a lot of underground work is being done too. Basement work. Workers are finalizing work on the foundation, different basement floors, and are slowly working their way to the top, but nothing significant is going to happen until a tenant is found. I'm pretty sure it will though. When you look at Tower 2's design, you see the diamonds at the top of the building. That's going to be really nice. It's another tower that I can't wait for. Looks like another piece of equipment. Here's the front of Tower 2. Still looks pretty much the same, but I can see minor work being done. So this is Tower 2 as of now. And when a tenant is found, it will rise up to its full 88 stories. And Tower 3 will rise up to its full 80 stories. This is the PAT station. I'm at the base of 7 World Trade Center. And here is 1 World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower. Now the tallest building in the United States and Western Hemisphere. Here's the base cladding. And here is Tower 2 and 3's work. Both together. There again is that structure for the transportation hub right there. I'll zoom in on it. Even though there's little progress with those towers, I'm going to say that there's a lot of significant work done here within the last month. Tower 4 is standing at its full 72 stories. Just that small gap needs to be filled in. They can finish that today if they work quick, but I don't know about that. Next few days though, it's all going to look amazing when it all comes together. Again, I'm closer to the base and looking at the glass cladding. What I believe is being done right now is that they are going to fill that up to the construction elevator, and then they're going to skip over and continue on to this side. Of course, this elevator needs to be dismantled before glass continues to be filled in, similar to the other side.
Brother Cat, I leave my shade there. Black shade.
Even though there was no elevator completely up the length of the building. On the other side, they still have that gap open, which is now filled in. But this side will have to do the same thing.
Yes. Thank you, Kaz.
Here's Tower 4, and you can somewhat see Tower 3. Again, just beautiful skyscrapers. Really going to bring back New York. Not just New York, America. These 4 beautiful skyscrapers, when complete, will be amazing. Looks like we got parts for the communications rings right here. Yeah, these are just rings. Well, not rings, parts for the rings. This is the base. No cladding on this side yet. Looking good. I'll look at Tower 3 and 4 before I continue. Here's the work being done here. Spire is up now. Like the trees are starting to bloom inside the memorial. Spring is here now. So there's just more work being done on the base. This side has now been squared off. And yes, the only thing that is here right now are pieces of the base cladding. You can see them right here waiting to be unwrapped and installed.
Great, thanks, sir.
That is a piece of the base cladding glass that will be installed. All these panels here are for the base. Still boxed up, brand new, and waiting to be unwrapped and installed. That one will be moved into place later. Here is a straight look with the glass now filled in of One World Trade Center. Tower 4. And Tower 3 is hiding back down there. This is Vesey Street and West Street. Here again, Freedom Tower. So only these two sides need to be filled in. This will definitely be filled in within a month or two at the latest. And there's the top of the antenna with it. This is North End Avenue and Vesey Street. One World Trade Center, the Freedom Tower. Very beautiful tower. Just that little bit of glass there needs to be filled in. Sorry about that. Top of the antenna spire. The communications rings can also be seen. And here it is. Amazing. Simply amazing is all I have to say at this point.